can't do this. Yes, I did know Karan, but after coming here, I haven't spoken to him. I mean, just trust me. Please believe me, Mom.
If you didn't do anything, why are you so scared? Speak up, Niharika. Tell me what you have done.
Mom, you're doubting me? But I'm a part of this family. How can I harm my family? Just tell me, huh?
In the past, you have harmed your family. So I do not trust you.
Why are you all staring at me? Do you all also think that I am involved in this? I didn't do anything.
If you didn't do anything, why are you frightened?
Niharika, if you know anything, please tell us.
Deepika, even you? I'm speaking the truth. I have done nothing.
Kush was right. He was absolutely right. This woman can't be trusted. He told us to keep this woman away from the family. He said she was pretending to be a priestess. She is putting on an act of worship. But I didn't listen to him. I kept you here after convincing everyone. It's my mistake. I will correct my mistake. So tell me, Niharika, what is your planning? Niharika, answer me. Answer me, Niharika.
Mom! Mom, what are you doing? Mom, how can you blame anyone without knowing the complete truth? And I'm sure that Niharika cannot be wrong. She might have made a lot of mistakes in the past, but I do not think that she will ever do anything to risk someone's life. And Mom, we have no evidence against Niharika. So please, don't say anything to her.
Diya, you don't know her. Within a few days of partnership, I got to know that she's a very dangerous woman. For her greed, she can stoop to any level.
You are right, love. Niharika used to be like that. But today, she has changed. Love, Niharika is a part of our family. She's our family member. And with time, everyone changes. Everyone changes. Even you changed, love. Similarly, even Niharika changed.
She can never change. She can only pretend to have changed. She is pretending to be a changed person. She is fooling all of us. Don't make the mistake of trusting her. Otherwise, you will be fooled again. No matter how much milk you feed to a snake, but they never quit biting. Love, call the police. Call the police quickly. The cops will get the truth out of her.
No, Mom. The police won't come here. Mom, if you hand over Niharika to the police, then I will not stay in this house. I'll leave this house.
Hey, have you gone crazy? This woman has betrayed us every time. She cheated us, and you are supporting her? That chemical could have been on your face as well, Diya. She wanted to ruin your life, and you are trying to save her? That's too much. Arjun, why are you quiet? Say something. Okay. Okay, if you are stubborn, then I'm no less stubborn. I won't listen to anyone. I'll call the police home.
Mom, the accident happened with me. And you must be knowing that. That if the person involved in the accident doesn't want to complain, the police doesn't file any case. So there's no point in calling the police. Niharika, let's go. Let's go to your room.
Arjun? Arjun, what has happened to you? Such wrong things are happening in front of you, and you are standing quietly and watching everything happen?
Mom, what do I say? What do I say? Even I'm shocked. I'm unable to understand anything. Mom, right now, Diya's recovery is the most important thing for me.
You will regret supporting her. You will regret it, Diya. I'm telling you to get her arrested. Let the police deal with her and her friend Karan.
Mom, what are you saying? Will you get Agarwal family's daughter-in-law arrested? And what will you tell the police? That Niharika mixed a chemical in the color. Mom, what proof do you have?
What's the matter with you, Diya? I don't understand what's the matter with you. Even after knowing how she is, you are trying to save her? Okay. Okay, let Kush come home. Then let me see how you save her.
Mom, please. Don't tell Kush about anything. Mom, promise me. Make a promise.
I don't want to promise you. I won't make any promise. No one listens to me in this house. Why should I make a promise? Come on, come with me. Let her stay here alone. God will punish her for her deeds. She will never be happy. Never. Let's go.
Superb, Niharika. I must say that you did my work.
How did you get to know about this? I didn't even tell you about it.
I know everything about my friends and enemies. As soon as my henchman heard Diya scream, I got this news. Congratulations for the victory. Now let me see how Arjun plays this match. It will take years for Diya's hands to recover. And right now, Arjun won't get a new partner. Arjun Agarwal's badminton career is finished.
Yes, that's fine. But now, since I've done your work, you have to do my work. You remember it? Karan, you promised me that you would give me a luxurious life. Because once the family gets to know about the truth, they will not even think twice before throwing me out of this house.
Don't worry, Niharika. You will get everything as per the promise. Congratulations once again. Enjoy the festival.
Karan, are you really going to give everything to Niharika?
Do you think I'm crazy? I lied to her so that she stays happy for 2 days thinking she will get something. She has helped me so much. I can give her temporary happiness. We got Niharika to do our work, and it's done. Now, whether the Agarwal family keeps her or throws her out, I have nothing to do with it. Don't think much about her. People like Niharika are true to no one. When she wasn't loyal to her family, how can she be loyal to us? It's better to stay away from such people. Anyway, forget about her. Now, enjoy the festival! Now, Arjun's dream of returning to the world of badminton will never come true.
Diya, you didn't do the right thing. For how long will we forgive Niharika for her mistakes? At some point of time, she must be punished for her deeds. Today, at Karan's behest, she mixed a chemical in the colors for festival. Tomorrow, she can do something worse. Her face conveyed that she was behind this accident.
Karan did not want Arjun and Diya to play the match. That's why he made this disgusting plan.
Arjun, I'm sorry. Just because of me, you won't be able to make a comeback into badminton.
Diya, are you crazy? You're still bothered about the match? Diya, right now, nothing is more important than you. Not even badminton.
I don't know who has cast an evil eye on this house. Whenever I feel everything will be fine, then something bad happens for sure.
Mom, you know, in Jamshedpur, near our house, there used to be a huge temple of our Lord. The priest of the temple always said that there is no evil that cannot be destroyed by worshipping the Lord. So, don't worry at all. Everything will be fine. Our Lord will set everything right. I know it.
Diya, don't talk much. Arjun, take Diya to her room. She needs rest.
Diya, shall we go to our room?
This has been done by Karan. Who could it be other than Karan? He got Bablu kidnapped and he is doing this to trouble you. He wants to stop you. I'm sure about it. Niharika mixed that chemical in the color at Karan's behest.
Mom, Diya had said that we couldn't blame Niharika without evidence.
Even you are talking like her. This is really surprising. Arjun, you were going to play badminton after years, but now you will never get to play. And Diya will suffer for years because of this.
Mom, it's okay. Diya will be fine. We're with her. We'll get her treatment done. And Mom, if I don't play badminton, my life won't end. But if I really live, I'll be able to fulfill many other dreams. Mom, what happened?
My dear father-in-law, what were you doing? Don't answer me. Not important. I thought you never gave up, but you are petrified. Well, what you could not do has been done by your dear son-in-law, all sorted. I shattered Arjun's dream of playing badminton. I shattered his arrogance.
Karan, stop
Wait
it.
a minute.
Please,
Let me give him the good news. Sorry. I'm too drunk as I was very happy. I had to give you some good news. Kavita and I are going to play mixed doubles. And we won't just play, we will win it. Because no one can defeat Karan Mathur. After this match, I will get my power and position back. What happened? Aren't you happy to hear this? My dear father-in-law, I do not need you now. Karan Mathur can make anything possible. I am enough powerful alone. Bye-bye.
Karan, stop it. You had too much.
I can't wait any longer, Kavita. How will I spend these 7 days? Do one thing. Send an invitation to Diya and Arjun. He can't play the match, but at least he can watch it. Arjun Agarwal, I told you that at the badminton court and outside it, only my rules work. Look, I won this battle.
Our battle hasn't ended yet, Dia.
Yes, Arjun. And this time we will finish and win this battle.
Banno! Banno! Yes, Deepika? Banno, what is the condition of the house? Why haven't you done the cleaning yet?
Deepika, I thought I should finish the work in the kitchen first, then I'll clean the
Banno,
house.
the work in the kitchen can be finished later. Do you see the living room? If any guests come, will this look good? Arrange everything quickly.
Okay, Deepika.
Leave that. Arrange the couch, I'll do this.
Okay. Deepika, can I ask you something?
Will you be able to control yourself? Go ahead.
Deepika, I'm feeling bad to see Dia in this condition. She is in immense pain. Deepika, will Dia's hand never recover from this burn? 7 days have passed by. The bandage is still there. How long will she have to be like this?
I don't know, Banno. Forget this. Just finish your work.
Okay.
Banno? Banno, do one thing, please.
Yes, Niharika, tell me.
You won't go anywhere until you clean the living room. First, finish the work that I've given you. Then you can do others' work.
No, Banno. I'm not in a hurry. You can finish cleaning the living room, then you can do my work.
What do I have to do?
Make a clay stove for me.
Banno, you can do it later. But ensure that the house does not get dirty.
Deepika, why will the house get dirty? I was going to tell her to make the clay stove in the garden at the back of the house.
A stove in the garden? Niharika, if you want something, tell me. I'll cook it for you. But a stove, Niharika?
No, Banno. I want nothing. Just make a clay stove for me. I'll cook food for myself on it and eat it. And Deepika, you just don't have to worry. This house won't get dirty. And for me, no one has to take any trouble. I am giving up on the food cooked in this house. Now I'll eat only just to stay alive. The taste won't matter. Banno, please make this stove for me. Now I'll cook there and have boiled food. Deepika, are you still upset with me? Do you think I can even do this to Dia? Can I risk her life? Can I try to kill her? Deepika, don't run away. You haven't even looked at me and spoken to me for 7 days. Deepika, I'm not at fault, but I don't know why. I feel you consider me guilty. I know. You don't want me to stay here in this house. You want me to leave. Even I want that, Deepika. But Dia has stopped me. Had she not stopped me, I would have left. Deepika, please just don't ignore me like this. I know that I have committed a lot of sins, but don't blame me for at least this sin. I cannot do something so disgusting. Why are you so quiet? Say something.
Niharika, no matter what the world thinks about you, even I don't consider you guilty like Dia.
You will never mend your ways. If it were in my capacity, I would have thrown you out. But I am quiet because of Dia.
Mom, why are you saying this?
Keep your mouth shut. What did I tell you? What did I say?
You said I should not show my face to anyone.
Mom! please.
Diya, you won't interfere today. I listened to you when you insisted on letting her stay here. But I will decide how she stays in this house. I will decide. What happened? You won't interfere, Diya. What happened? Why are you still here? Leave! And don't show your face to anyone again. Go. Go!
Stop, Niharika. Mom, please. Mom, 7 days have passed by since the festival. Mom, please don't be angry now. Please?
Yes, Diya. Had this helped your hands to recover from burn then, I wouldn't have been angry at all. Tell me, why are you quiet? Will your hands recover? They won't recover then.
But Mom...
Don't say anything, Diya. Don't say anything. If you and Arjun are fond of saving her, do it. But at least don't expect me to hug her and forgive her. On Karan's instigation, she tried to kill you. I will never forgive her. And in my opinion, she is guilty.
But Mom, how can you say that without evidence?
That's why she is lucky. We don't have evidence against her. But I'm not blind like the law. I won't forgive her in absence of evidence. I'm telling you, Karan is using her as a pawn against us.
Yes, Mom. Karan wants to harm us. And it's true that Niharika is his pawn. But Mom, think about it. That day on the festival, we had so many guests. Perhaps one of Karan's men came inside amidst the crowd. And he would have added a chemical in the color. Mom, it's possible. And Mom, this bandage. Whenever I see Diya's bandage, I get angry. I feel like burning Karan's hands. But do you know why? I won't do that. Because this won't end our enmity. Mom, I'm tired. I'm tired of this. I want nothing. Neither Karan's enmity, nor badminton. I want nothing. Mom, when I've lost badminton, I want to forget the enmity I had with Karan due to badminton.
Why do you have a bag? Are both of you going somewhere? So are you going to drop Diya at her mom's place?
No, Mom. We're going somewhere else.
Where?
Somewhere else. A place where we can find peace. A place where we don't hear anything about badminton or the tournament.